Today we'll be learning about a really crucial and important topic in today's life. That is AI's uses. AI is widespread and shapes healthcare, education, jobs, and even how the government functions, making it immensely important to learn today. Let's dive in and start with something small, like AI's uses in everyday life. AI is not just some futuristic robot, it helps you with your daily tasks too, such as AI is sorting emails, messages, news in your phone. It is also implemented in voice assistants such as Siri and Alexa, where they recognize your voice and then AI understands it, predicts your needs, and then responds accordingly. It is also in recommendation systems in streaming platforms such as Netflix and YouTube, e shopping apps such as eBay and Amazon, and also in social media apps such as Instagram and Facebook. Now you may be wondering, what is recommendation system? Recommendation system is where AI tracks the user's activity on the software and then recommends things or experiences that it thinks that the user might like. AI is also really helpful to students using digital apps or products in general, such as AI helps you write better with the help of autocorrect. So you see, AI isn't just some robot, it helps you do easy day to day work too. Now, one of the most important aspects in which AI is so important is healthcare. It is saving life and making healthcare so much more accessible to people. AI is transforming healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately by scanning MRIs and X ray to catch diseases earlier on. It is really crucial when it comes to catching tumors in cancer patients because sometimes tumors are really small and doctors can't necessarily always catch them with their naked eyes. So, what AI does is catch them and help the doctors diagnose the diseases earlier on. In that way, the disease are like the person is more likely to fight the disease than on the later stages of life. Now, it also helps visually impaired people, while AI powered apps describe surroundings for blind users. AI also allows remote consultations with virtual doctors' visits in rural areas. There are also robot assisted surgeries now, where AI enhances the precision in complex surgeries. So you see, AI isn't replacing doctors, it's rather helping them do their work more efficiently and effectively. Now, AI in education. Learning but made fun. AI is making education more accessible and personalized. AI tailors lessons to your needs. Suppose a student isn't good in mathematics but is good in English. So, what AI typically does is make the mathematics part more fun and focuses it on more, and English rather giving it less focus. So, what this does is enhances the student's capability to do mathematics. Seeing that people don't do this in a traditional method of learning helps the student learn better. There are also AI tutors on apps such as Khan Academy and Duolingo, which help people even in remote areas to learn anytime, anywhere, whatever they want to. It also breaks language barrier, making traditional scriptures or even cultural significance more easier to understand. Such AI powered transition makes global learning easier. There is also online learning where AI enables remote education, making learning more flexible and fun. So AI is no longer just one size fits all. AI adapts to you. Now, AI in the future. There's a common misconception about AI stealing jobs, but rather it is creating new opportunities. Every job which is taken has a new one built, such as there are self driving cars now. So AI is shaping transportation while creating new navigation tech jobs. Even in healthcare careers, AI powered medical tools need specialists to manage them, such as biomedical engineers, which help how to function the AI tools. There is also business efficiency, in which AI automates so many tasks which focus more on the useless side of aspects, I'd say, such as paperwork, so humans can focus more on creativity and strategy. AI is changing jobs, but it's also opening new doors to careers. Now, let's move on to a major controversy, which is AI and people. Now, as AI is implemented everywhere, it can also have many bad uses, such as one which is really popular is deepfakes. Now, what are deepfakes? Deepfakes are audios, videos, or images which are edited using the help of AI to make them something which they were not already. This this is a major crime, especially in the fields of law, judiciary, and international relations. It can literally make a person's life fall apart, which is, of course, not something that one would want. So, government plays a big role in ensuring that AI is safe and ethical, and it should also implement new laws to make sure that the use of AI is protected. Here are some ways in which governments can do that. It can implement regulation and privacy in ways that AI must be used responsibly to protect people's rights. There should also be an encouragement in innovation, as investments in AI research drive progress. There should also be a global cooperation, as countries must work together to prevent AI misuse. As AI just isn't a problem in one country, it's throughout the world. So countries must work together and come together to implement new such rules that prevent the use of AI. There should also be a workforce transition where government need to prepare people for AI powered jobs rather than handwork or labor work. With the right policies, AI can be a force for good rather than bad things. And with that, I conclude with AI isn't just a futuristic tech, it's already shaping our world, but with great power comes great responsibility. We must use AI ethically and wisely to ensure it benefits everyone. So let's embrace AI, learn about it, and use it for good. Thank you.